Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to easily enable or disable comments on YouTube using your computer or laptop. So, let's get started. First, open YouTube on your PC. Once you're in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Then select YouTube Studio from the drop-down menu. In the YouTube Studio, go to the left-hand menu and click on the Settings. Then click on the Upload Defaults. And then click on the Advanced Settings. And then scroll down to the Comments section. Now, to enable comments, click on the On. And if you want to disable comments, click on the Off. Once you select it, click on the Save to apply your changes. And that's how you can enable and disable comments on YouTube. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.